Let's attempt to build this heart animation in SwiftUI using Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Grok 3. I'm going to start with Grok 3. You can access Grok from your X account. On the top, you have noticed I have Grok 3 beta. So previously, I added this prompt and ran it with the deep search feature. So these are the two key features of Grok 3, deep search and think. This is similar to that of OpenAI. With deep search, the model will use reasoning to synthesize large amount of data online, including X, to complete a multi-step research task for you. So in this example, I used the deep search option. You have noticed here, it went through all these sources, about 20 sources, and different web pages as well. So before it tries to solve the prompt, over here you have noticed it added the key points. That is the main parts of the animation. So the animation has two main parts, the heart animation and also a best. Over here it explains each part. If I scroll down further, there is a detailed explanation. So with the first attempt, it generated this code. However, there was an error in the code. So I stated here further, fix these errors. So there were two main errors. Then over here, it tried to fix the errors by generating an improved version of the code. So if I scroll down further, it generated this code. Let's copy that and try it. I will launch Xcode, and over here, we can add a new file from template. Let's call it X-like. I will select everything here and paste the code. So here we copy X-like and replace content view. As you have noticed in the code, with the improved version, there are still some errors. And on the top, you can see we have 4 errors. So I went back to Grok to fix these errors. So over here, it tried to generate another improved version. However, that introduced more errors. So I gave up and went to Cursor to try to create the animation with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So you have noticed here, I added the same prompt. That is the same prompt we gave to Grok 3. So here it generated this solution. With the first attempt, there was also an error. Over here, you have seen I added this statement to fix the error. So it gave an improved version of the code, but I still wanted everything to be put together. So I added another prompt, give me the complete code. It then added the improved part to the previous version of the code. So let's copy the code and create this file, heartanimation.swift in Xcode to test the code. We can select this file and delete it and add a new one. So let's call this heart animation. We will leave only the preview, and I will paste everything here and remove this part. So this is the unmodified animation generated by Claude 3.5 Sonnet. I haven't changed anything, but once you get the animation this way, you can go ahead and modify it to suit your need. So in this video, we tried the same prompt to create a SwiftUI animation using Grok 3 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. However, the Claude 3.5 Sonnet version was the successful one.